Hello everyone, it's your girl Quoia Renae, and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to show you all how to get the perfect wing liner. So I'm going to go in with my liner from NYC. It's the best liner ever, y'all. It has a thin tip. And what I'm going to do first is start off just by creating little strokes just across my lid. And then I am going to start to create the line to begin that wing process. So doing wing liners is definitely not something that's easy, you guys. Like, I struggled for a long time with my wing liner, and I'm still learning how to get it even more perfected. But practice, like I said in all my videos, practice makes perfect. The more you do it, the better it gets. So now I'm just kind of like creating that little triangular effect to it, and then I'm just connecting it to the line that I created on top of my lids, and I'm just going to keep dragging that product and making sure that that line is black and as neat as possible, guys. So another tip that I just wanted to add, ladies and gents, if you're watching, another tip that I just wanted to add is looking down in a mirror also helps me to get my liner together. And also, if you're looking inside your phone and looking down, it'll also help you as well. And then if you create any mistakes, you can go in with your concealer that's close to your skin tone or your foundation shade, and then you can just clean up any mistakes with that concealer. For those of you that are not familiar with that concealer that I'm using, I use it in almost every one of my videos. It's LA Girl Pro Conceal. You can find that concealer in any beauty supply store, on Amazon, and it's like $6, $5. It's fairly inexpensive. Now I'm just going to pat that concealer in and just blend it into my foundation. And then I'm going to further clean up my eyeliner with some more of the liner from NYC, just so I can get it perfected even more. The NYC liner, I order mine from Amazon. It's kind of, I think it's like $10. It was about $6 or $7, but I think when it started to begin to get popular, it got more expensive. So just be mindful of that. I'm not sure if any beauty supply stores sell it or if any drug stores sell it. They possibly could do in your area, but I haven't seen it any in my area. So now I'm just going in with a second coat of that NYC liner, and I'm looking down in my mirror just so that I can make sure everything is flawless and neat. And you all, this is the liner, honey. See, y'all, it's cute, huh? It's not the best. It's not just all of that. Like, it's not some of my best work, but it's good enough. Like, I like it. And now I'm just going to start and begin on this other side of my eye. And then I'm just going to stop like rattling to you all, because I feel like you all pretty much get it. I'm just going to show you all how I do the other eye. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. No, the video is not quite over. I still want you all to see the finished look of this other eye. Also, if you all want to see how I got my brows like this, be sure to tune into my other video to see how I do my updated brow routine. And follow me on Instagram, you all, at Quoia_Renae. I love you all so much, and don't forget to subscribe. So one more thing that I just had to add before I left this video, don't come for me in the comment section about my edges, honey. Listen, I left my edges like this for a reason. I'm actually going to be uploading a video on how to slay your edges. So as you all can see, my edges are looking a little kinky for a reason, honey. I'm going to show you all how to get your edges all the way together. Like, your edges is going to be slayed for 2 days. Like, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, have your notification bells on so that you can see how I get my edges together. I'm probably going to upload this video in about my edges tutorial video in about 2 days. So definitely make sure you're subscribed so that you can tune in for that video. Bye, y'all.